Hi everyone, if you are using Cisco Packet Tracer and it's stuck in an endless loading screen after logging into your network account, you are not alone. This happens because the software is trying to connect to the internet in a way that causes a hang. Today I'll show you a quick fix blocking Packet Tracer's outbound internet access using Windows Firewall. Let's get started. First, search for Windows Defender Firewall in your start menu and open it. Make sure you click on the one with advanced setting. It's called Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. If a user account control prompt appears, click yes to proceed as admin. Once it opens, look on the left side and click Outbound Rules. This is where we will create a new rule to block connections going out from your computer. Now on the right side, click New Rule. A wizard will pop up. Select Program as the rule type, then click Next. Browse to the location of your Cisco Packet Tracer executable. It's usually in C program files, Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2.2 bin Packet Tracer.exe, or wherever you installed it. Select that file and click block the connection to stop it from accessing the internet. Click Next. Leave all profiles checked, domain, private and public, so it blocks everywhere. Click Next. Give your rule a name like block Cisco Packet Tracer or Cisco Tracer, and maybe add a description. Prevents unless your new rule should now appear in the top of the list. Click Close, and now you need to restart Cisco Packet Tracer. It should skip the online login check and load right away without hanging. Remember, this only blocks outbound. Your local simulation will work. If you need to update the software later, you can disable this rule temporarily.